Yo, what the fuck is good with y'all boys, bro? Back with Lollipop Chainsaw. Been a couple days. I know. Oh wait, what? I didn't know we unlocked the. Oh, I think that was a glitch. Oh no, that wasn't a glitch. What? Oh shit, we did do the farm last time, huh? We at the Full Guy Fun Center. Arcade action. Start this stage. What? No. Why? Why? Why does it ask me that now? Also, oh, we change skins? Wait, did we change skins? Did we buy another one? Did we ever buy another one? Oh, band girl. What's this? Yes, put it. Uh, yeah. Holy shit. God damn, Julia, you better shit. All right, Full Guy Fun Center. Here we go. Let's fucking run it. Episode 4, 5. I don't know, something like that. I think it's 4. Oh, we're with Elvis. Elvis Presley. Hell yeah, boy. Hell motherfucking yeah. Mm? Oh, I thought it was so bad, bro. I had to stop the car. The full G. They looking at straight concrete. All right, all right. Hell yeah. Nah, he's dead, bro. Girl pair. Ah, hell nah, bro. Hell no, he didn't. But we in this hard ass fit now. Ooh. Oh, I thought I was gonna control the game, but I was gonna show off the outfit, but I guess not yet. And we got a helmet for Nick. Oh my fucking god. He looks so bad. He looks way worse. He looks so goofy with the helmet on. Same. I want to play games 24/7 too. What the fuck? Okay, yeah, let's look at Nick shot. How do I Nick shot? Yeah, meta. Meta. That's so meta, dude. No, I use my fuck, I hate that button so much. I use it again, bro. I look you. Oh my, oh my jeez. There you go, one shot. I think that's everybody in here. And now all the zombies are about to come out. As soon as my power up's done, huh? Ah, fuck. No game. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, rating mature. Well, hey, what the fuck? Like, how do I jump? Okay, there we go. I was about to say, how do I do that? And I'm an ass. Holy sh. Holy shit! I miss 2 days of playing this game, and this is what it does. This is what it does. I just don't know how to do anything. I know how to do this one though. Why did though? Woo! I didn't hit shit though. Woo! I did hit some shit though. Bitch. All right, send down the next wave. Oh, okay. Now we can examine the fit finally. Woo! Honestly, she bad as hell in the all black. You know what I'm saying? She got the little skull. She got the little heart right here on her eyes. The choker. Oh my god. She got the boots. She got the goddamn. Can't look up anymore. Okay, okay. All right, we're gonna enter up in a bit. Hell yeah. What the? Are we playing Pac-Man? Are we the ghost? Oh shit. I'm actually. All right, let's get to it. Start. Yes. Why would you even have callous thumbs? Loki, I don't know. I don't know what this guy's talking about. I don't know what. You know what? I don't know what Nick's talking about most of the time we played this. Oh, I got another key. Oh, we have to get 8 keys, bro. Can we kill them? Cause holy shit, I don't know what a fez is. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh shit. Go, 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 go. Oh shit, I'm fucked. I'm fucked. Ah, go! I can't kill them. I can't kill them. Run. 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 Run away. Run away, you're gonna die. No fuck. God damn, bro. Hop off. Now it's just all Juliets on the screen. This is like. Can I hit you? Can I even kill these guys? Oh, I can. But like, not really. It's kind of ass. No, I can't. I can't hit you from the front. Oh my gosh. Where are these keys at, bro? I need 4 more. I was never good at Pac-Man. Oh my fuck. That's always one game I fucking sucked at. Yo, do something, bro. You corner camping. You doing too much. Oh fuck. Yeah, no. One game I always sucked at is Pac-Man, Tetris, checkers, Chinese checkers. Give me that shit, boy. Hell yeah. Nah, Nick, don't even complain, bro. You in a perfect spot, bro. You in a spot I'm trying to be in, bro. If you don't want to be there, we could trade, bro. We could trade. I'll gladly trade with you, bro. I swear, bro. People love complaining, bro. Like, put me in that spot. Put me in, coach. All right, let's go get this shit. I actually forgot. I forgot her entire plan already. It's terrible. I think we're the decoy. Yeah. So then her dad is sneaking in from the back. Hell yeah. Let's see if there's anything good. Okay, what is this? No, I want the one for homing. I don't know what homing is. Increases further distance Julia's home by enemies. Give me this. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, also, let's get a new outfit for next one. Do we have enough? I think we do have enough. Ooh, this one goes crazy. Oh my gosh. Demonic like okay, which one? I don't know. I don't know which one. I don't know. I don't know. Damn, there's so many cool ones. I'm just singing, so like it goes over the music, so I hopefully don't get copyrighted. The overalls look hot too, just like a girl out in Arkansas or something. I don't know. Okay, we'll do this one because we've been talking about it. All right, get out. Wait, did I ever buy the? Did I buy the? Okay, I did buy the power up. All right, let's kill these zombies, bitch, bitch. God damn, you are slow. She's so slow. Bro, Loki, call me crazy, but like I feel like Juliet would go so hard in Mortal Kombat. Like as a DLC character for Mortal Kombat, she would go so crazy. Like that, why is that actually such a good fucking idea? Bro, honestly put Juliet in, coach. I'd fucking play as her in Mortal Kombat. The fuck? That's such a fucking banger idea. Okay, what the fuck? Bro got some titties now. But that would be so banger. Like, dude, are there? I don't think there's any chainsaw characters in Mortal Kombat. She could literally be chainsaw doing all these crazy moves, and then like have a finisher where she like throws Nick, or like she throws Nick at somebody's head, and it like obliterates their head, and then Nick replaces the head, or she like cuts off the head. She cuts off the head, and then she replaces Nick on top of the head, so he controls the body, like as a finishing move. And then what would a brutality be? Oh, a brutality could be like when she does that, when she throws her butt on the enemies and it stuns them. That would be a fucking hard ass brutality. That should be fire. Bro, that ass, bro. Put her in, bro. And what eventually, bro, she gotta come in. Thank you, please do. No, it's not. Don't hate on anybody's music taste. You probably listen to like country music or some other whack shit. You probably listen to I don't even know. You probably listen to like I don't know. I can't think of anything. What the? I'm so confused what my goal is. Control elevator, move up and down by getting the what? Okay. Well, you might want to go fucking kill this guy. Bitch. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, bro. Oh. Mario reference? What the fuck was that? Holy, that shit was trippy. No red. But like that shit was actually trippy as fuck. It like flashed. I'm like, what the fuck? Bitch. There we go. Okay, now I don't like that. That shit, I don't know. That shit like, oh fuck. Wait, yeah, it's this way. How the fuck did we get sent back? And now this shit got blown up. And now there's people down here. Oh, nice. Oh my fuck. Hey, I don't know if that's hurting anybody else's head, but that shit fucking like, I don't know what it is, but that shit is just like fucking on my head. Oh. Let's try. Oh, we can't try the blue doors, so I guess we have to go to the red door. Hell yeah. W Nick not making her feel self conscious, dude. Oh fuck, I didn't mean to go in there. Oh, okay, it took me there anyway. Oh, just get me to the top already, bitch. Oh wait, the elevator's right here. Why would I? Oh fuck. Oh, get out, get out. Does that mean we could have killed the ones in the other game and the other Pac-Man one? Yes, continue. Now we in a club? Hey, we in a strip club? What the what? And they want Juliet to get on a pole? Okay, bro. Hey, get off me, bro. What the fuck? Can I watch next time? Yeah, I'm gonna need you to prove it to me real quick. Maybe I can help you train on it too. You know, if you need help, I got you. Break yourself. Wait, what? It said stop. What the fuck? Woo. And then Elvis got his guitar trying to do a fucking lightsaber clash with me. You're not gonna win that, boy. Come on. Don't fucking play with me. Ow. Bitch. Let me do a fucking stage dive. Oh my gosh, you guys are still alive? There we go. On to another game. Hell yeah. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Bro, like, Skate. Oh my gosh, dude. I've been so obsessed with fucking Skate. Skate, the Halloween update is about to drop tomorrow, bro. Like, I just been loving playing it. I don't know why, but I'm just like addicted. You're gonna come at me with the breakdancing zombie? Hey, what? Dodge the moving black and white? Okay, I can do that. Bitch. Wait, so I'm not supposed to kill you? No, I am. Oh shit. Bitch. I kinda wanna kill the blue guy though. I can't kill him. What the fuck? Yo, y'all gotta chill out with that breakdancing shit. There we go. Wait, I can't just pass? Oh no, I can't. What are parachute pants? Aren't those just like baggy pants? We don't like baggy pants? I feel like baggy pants are way more comfortable than skinny pants. But that's just me. Oh, I forgot I have to take you out. Oh, what the fuck? Yo, let me out, bro. What the fuck happened? Oh my gosh, I died. First death of the series. Oh, I did not pay attention enough to my health. I just thought I was invincible. I just thought I was like Omni Man or something. At least you can save me at my checkpoint, which is fire. But I was not. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of forgot I even had a health bar in this game. But like, hey, you just have so much fun. Like, you forget about health. You just care about killing zombies, and that's all I care about. That's all I fucking care. God damn. Yeah. Also, I'm low as hell right now, so I am gonna eat one of those. Oh, watch out with that. That shit is deadly. Ah, fuck. And then this guy from the ground, and now we're just sawing his shit up. What the fuck, bitch? I don't know what this blue wall is for. Oh, is it like a safe haven barrier? Oh yeah, it bounces off of it. Oh, it's like Pong. I think that's what it's called. Oh shit. Oh shit. Nah, parachute pants, bro. Parachute pants look way more comfortable than what Nick was wearing. That, but that's just for me personally. Yo, what? Oh, I can't hurt them because this guy's fucking boogieing out over here, and they're all just like immune because they're just vibing too much. Boom. Also, did I see a lollipop? No, I saw bullets. I need more bullets. I need more bullets. And then there's a lollipop right here. But watch, it's gonna be like blocked. But I can go this way. Ooh. Thank you. Bro, I haven't had a lollipop in so long. Dum Dums. Dum Dums. I think it was raspberry was so fire. Bitch. You dead. Bitch, you dead. Wait, what? You're not dead? Oh. Okay, now you're dead. Okay, now you dead. Yo, Julia, get the guy. Thank you. Holy shit. Like, they couldn't just let a girl shop in peace, bro. They couldn't just let her shop in peace. They want to come over and bug her. Like, what the fuck? Bitch, come here. Bitch. Oh my gosh, there's more? God damn, bro. Also, what is that over? Oh, shit, I didn't mean to do that. What is this? Is this a Nick ticket? Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, crap. Honestly, I think they're just going to keep spawning. But it's like an infinite money glitch or something. But we want that max health, so... Oh, it's only 250. I could low-key just grind these guys for it. But I think they are going to stop because there's no other way to get out from here if you really think about it. But I could just gun. I could just gun them. I could just gun them all down. They're all like one hit anyway. Y'all boys are weak. Y'all boys weak as hell. There we go, mud. Who's in a chopper? Raid my trash ass robot right there. Oh. No, just use bullets. Use bullets. Use bullets. Oh, shit. Oh, he dodged that shit? God damn, bro. He's crazy. Bitch. Yo, he's dodging like crazy. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Wesley? Young Wesley, son? God damn. Young Wesley from Daredevil? Woo. Okay, keep killing them. Keep killing them. Maybe we could get max healthless level. Maybe, though. Big fat maybe. Big fat maybe. Okay, finally this chopper's off our ass, though. Or maybe it's not. Maybe it's about to crash into us. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Shoot it! That's not good. Or maybe it is good. Maybe there's something in there. Oh, there's hella coins in there. God! Oh, it's not enough. We need 250. We needed 250. What retro game are we in for this time? Tetris? I'm hoping it's Tetris. Oh my god, it's Tetris. Oh no, it's not. Move the gondola? Oh my, we're playing Galaga. Right? Uh well, I'm trying to, but I can't really see anything, so I think you're good. Can I break those? Oh yeah, I can. Hell yeah. God damn, bro. Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Oh! Oh, that's scary. Oh, that's scary, mija. Woo. Dodge that. Go up. Dodge. Careful. Up. Yeah, it's probably one of the demons, Nick. Like, have you not been following? Have you not been following along? Oh, shit. Are you just chilling off in space? What the fuck is that? Holy shit, it's a Garo. Bro, if it's three spaces long, I think I'm dead. Gosh, damn. Bro, we are going so high up. Oh shit, watch out. They're gonna drop a cow. They drop something. Hey, what is over there? I can't get over there, but there's something over there. Okay, break that. Julia, oh my gosh, you are scaring me, dude. Oh! Oh my gosh, this shit is hard. Oh, go! Oh my gosh, that was intense. Oh, that shit's scary. Woo! Keep going, just keep it pushing. Keep it pushing, please. Oh, let's go. We did it. That shit was actually hard. Yeah, even though it didn't look hard, believe me, I was actually stressing for that. Even though I made that shit look easy as fuck, because you know I'm gonna go at all video games. I don't know what she's doing, just fucking, just twitching, just itching for that trigger finger. How much monies do we have? Oh, we don't have enough. All right, or where are we headed to, Juliet? Why can't I get off? What's? Oh. Nice. We almost had enough. Oh, can we go do it again though? Probably not. Woo. Dude, I still don't know how to answer calls. It's so annoying. I want to answer it. Wait, it controls? Hmm. Recover camera reset, hold pause. Yeah, there's no like camera button. I don't know what it is. Also, I can't back out of this. I don't know why. What? Hello? Yo, why can't I go back? What's... Oh, okay. That was a little like, what? I was trying to press circle and it wasn't working. I'm like, hey, yo, when circle doesn't work, like, what do I do? That ass though. All right, but we got it. We're at Oh, dance planet. Dance planet, dance planet, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me. Oh, oh, wow. Oh. Oh my gosh. I would definitely be friends with this guy if I did acid. I think the other hippie girls was definitely best friends with him. Oh, I don't know about that. He was at Epstein Island. He was at Epstein Island watching midgets do complicated math problems. I mean, I guess that's not illegal, but he was on the island. Definitely not who we think he was, but hey, man. Hey, can you hate him for getting down though? That ass. Can you hate him for getting? Oh, what the fuck? Hey. Oh shit. God damn, Joey. Wait, Joey? Damn, Joey, you were mad annoying. Okay, I think I'm not gonna lie. I feel like Joey's gonna be the coolest boss. that we fought. Oh shit. Oh shit. Dodge that. Hey, don't hate on Joey, bro. That UFO's hard as fuck. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm dead. Oh. Let's go. I use my Nick. That's cool as fuck. I didn't know you could use a Nick ticket to come back to life. I was gonna say this guy's like an Elden Ring boss. Like this is such a fucking cool. Oh shit! What? I was so confused. What the fuck was that? This is so fucking cool. Holy shit! This is so cool. Yes, get it, get it, get it, get it. Get all the bullets. Get all the bullets. Oh no. Nah, this is dead ass so fucking cool though. This boss is so hard, bro. The other bosses were kind of like whatever, but like, bro, I'm just everything visually on this boss. I'm just having a great time right now. Oh my god, Joey, you better get your ass beat. But like, thank you for the dance party, whatever. What the fuck was that? All right, bet Joey or Josie. Your name is Josie. What the fuck? Josie's a girl's name, bro. What? Okay, I can't shoot him for anything. I don't know why I keep trying. Let me just get all the bullets. Hell yeah. Bitch ass boy. And he went back. He went back up there. And bitch. Oh yes, 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 he's low. Yes. No, he's a one. Is this a one stage boss? Oh, yo, I'm actually scared of those. This fucking dude and his UFO. Oh shit, watch out, Juliet. Oh fuck, that hurt. Is he gonna come back? He's gonna spin back. Let's go. I don't think he's gonna be dead though. No way. I mean, that did feel like a one stage boss, but I hope not. Yeah, he's ascending off somewhere. Stage two, bro. The dad did nothing, bro. What did he do? Literally nothing. He tried to sneak attack him and didn't even do nothing. But it's alright. You know we got that. Holy auto tune. I have a time. Yes, a UFO. I don't know what to do with this shit. Okay, I can't attack it when it's like that. Okay, you watch it. Okay, that move seems to do pretty good damage. Okay, I have 2 minutes. There we go. There's one. There we go. No. Yes. Okay, okay. Do it. Nice, Juliet. All right. I think there's one left. No, there's two left. All right, come on. There we go. So one left. Let it turn red. I know. I know. I fucking know. What the fuck? Hey, what the fuck? Oh my fuck. What is that stupid shit? No, no, I had it. 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 Get it. There we fucking go. Let's go. Let's go. Kill him. Kill him. There. Go, go. Break his shield. Break his shield. Hey, don't call us that. What the fuck? Hey, man. Fuck me. Hey, at least the dad did come in clutch though. That's that goddamn auto tune right there. Okay, that was pretty badass. That was pretty badass. Okay, we should get a B here. Okay. Okay, well, that's gonna be it for this episode. I think we have one or two episodes left. Cathedral, and then I don't know if you guys see that science building right up there. I pointing at it doesn't help. But there's a science building literally straight above this, a factory. Maybe that'll be part 6 if the cathedral isn't the last one. But thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for fucking with me. Drop us a like if you enjoyed. Drop a sub if you enjoyed. Tomorrow we definitely recording some skate gameplay maybe with the new Halloween update. Happy Halloween, enjoy that. And yeah, we'll definitely get back to this soon. Thank you guys for watching.